Welcome back. This is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I want to thank all of those subscribers, that's you, for over 245 subscribers on my channel. 245 subscribers is great. I really appreciate all the backing and support that you have brought to me. I am happy. And so now we just have a little more work to do. I would like to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm asking for your help, and I know we can reach that goal. So please join me in. I'm gonna give a giveaway, and I'm gonna talk about that in the next video. So stay tuned for that, because money is coming somebody's way. Hopefully it's you, and it's just a little encouragement, you know, to show you my appreciation of you. So again, I just want to say thank you, YouTube family, for helping me get to reach my goal and your goal, because I'm here for you and you have definitely been here for me. So keep the good work up, and hey, keep yourself up, because you deserve it. Thanks a lot. I love you. Thanks. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.